When people talk about Mercedes-Benz, the conversation usually revolves around luxury, comfort, and status. But among real owners, a very different question matters far more. Which Mercedes actually lasts? Not the one with the biggest screen, not the newest generation, not the one with the most horsepower, but the Mercedes owners keep for 10, 15, even 20 years. Today's list is not based on marketing claims or brochure promises. It's based on real-world ownership, long-term reviews, and cars that have proven themselves mile after mile. These are the 5 Mercedes models owners trust the most. 5. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W210. The W210 E-Class often gets overlooked because of its styling, but owners who live with these cars tell a very different story. Powered by naturally aspirated inline-6 and V8 engines, the W210 represents a time when Mercedes prioritized durability over electronics. Owners consistently report smooth engines that run reliably past 200,000 miles, comfortable suspensions that age gracefully, simple mechanical systems compared to modern models. So, the E430 with the M113 V8 is especially praised for minimal engine failures, strong automatic transmissions, excellent long-distance comfort. Rust can be an issue on early examples, but mechanically, these cars remain incredibly dependable. For many owners, the W210 is the last E-Class that truly feels overbuilt. 4. Mercedes-Benz C-Class W203. The W203 C-Class marked an important turning point. While early versions had issues, later model years, especially those with naturally aspirated engines, earned strong reputations among owners. Why do people still trust them? Because they balance simplicity with modern comfort. Owners praise reliable inline-6 engines, affordable maintenance, solid daily usability even decades later. The C320 in particular stands out for its engine longevity and refined driving feel. Many owners report using these cars as daily drivers, well into high mileage with only routine maintenance. It's not flashy, but it's honest engineering. 3. Mercedes-Benz S-Class W140. The W140 is legendary for a reason. Often described as the last no-compromise Mercedes, this S-Class was engineered without cost-cutting in mind. Owners consistently describe it as indestructible, over-engineered. Built to last generations, the inline-6 and V8 versions are especially known for smooth, unstressed engines, strong drivetrains, exceptional ride quality even decades later. Yes, maintenance can be expensive, but owners agree on one thing. These cars rarely fail unexpectedly. The W140 doesn't just survive time, it ignores it. 2. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. Ask any long-time Mercedes owner which car they trust the most, and the W124 will almost always come up. This platform became famous worldwide for one reason: reliability. Owners report engines running beyond 300,000 miles, transmissions that last decades, interiors that age better than many modern cars. Diesel versions, in particular, are considered nearly unstoppable. The W124 was used as taxis, government vehicles, and daily drivers across the globe, not because it was luxurious, but because it never quit. For many, this is the definition of a dependable Mercedes. 1. Mercedes-Benz W126 S-Class. If there is one Mercedes owners trust above all others, it is the W126. This car represents Mercedes-Benz at its engineering peak. Owners consistently praise bulletproof V8 and inline-6 engines, exceptional build quality, simple yet durable electronics. The W126 earned a reputation for running smoothly for decades, remaining comfortable at high mileage, surviving harsh climates and poor maintenance. Many examples on the road today have exceeded 300,000 miles and still drive like proper luxury sedans. For owners, this isn't just a car, it's proof of what Mercedes once stood for. These 5 Mercedes models prove something important. Reliability isn't about technology, it's about engineering philosophy. When Mercedes focused on longevity instead of complexity, they built cars that owners still trust decades later. So now the question goes to you. Which Mercedes has been the most reliable in your experience? And which one do you think deserves a spot on this list? Leave a comment below, and if you value real ownership insights over marketing hype, like the video, and subscribe for more honest automotive breakdowns.